Ụmụ Igbo youth, gee ntị ma gee ntị nke ọma ka ifu the way fasi deceive unu. Fewolu Biafra and the Maazị Nnamdi Kanu in disguise nafa na fight for Biafra or that nafa na fight for Maazị Nnamdi Kanu unknowingly to ndị iberibe ndị a, ndị nzuzu ndị a na-ebelieve ndị a na-asafe isi. Listen to them ka ifu the way fasi deceive unu.
Yeah, wonderful people of Biafra, lovers of Biafra all over the world. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending your time zone and location. Today is 19th of August 2025. There is a video I'm going to show you. For those that's calling the Biafran Liberation Army caste snatchers, there is a very brutal war that is going on in Igbo State all this while. And there is a guy, and this guy is my friend, but there is something that happened. I've been looking for this my guy, but now I now discovered that this guy was rescued from the Biafra Liberation Army camp the day the Zoo military people are fighting war there. So currently now, just watch the video how they are interviewing the guy and how the guy is saying his mind. That people should just watch this video and share, let it go viral so that people will not say it's from my mouth. This one is direct from Biafra Liberation Army media office. Please, people should watch and share, let it go viral. Please, all of us are Biafrans.
Yeah, good morning everybody. I am one of the men on ground, and today we have our brother here. What is your name?
Raymond. My name is Raymond.
Where are you from?
I'm from Lagos State.
As in, what are you doing around Igbo?
So I was driving past, I was coming from Anambra, Oka, and going to Aba. I was using Google Map took me past Igbo.
So when? Since when?
That was last week, Sunday. I think that was on the 10th.
On 10th?
Yeah, thereabout on the 10th.
So what happened? What actually happened? Because we are stopping you due to the war. You are hearing about the war since last week. Yes. That is going on in Igbo.
Yes.
Okay. We stopped you and you were overspeeding, and we don't want you to run to the enemies, so that it will not be as if that we did not stop you, we did not warn you. We are the Biafran Liberation Army. Okay. Yes, we are the men on ground. Yes. So, and we are not afraid. Do we look afraid?
No.
Ever since that time, nothing have happened to your car?
Nothing.
Yes, you came back today. When did you come back to carry your car?
I came back yesterday.
Where have you been all this while? Since that day, since that content, did anybody hurt you?
No. I left and I came back. I left on my own. I went back to Aba and I came back yesterday.
Okay, to carry your car?
Yes.
Okay, because the car was spoiled?
Yes, because the tire was damaged, so I had to buy new tires to fix on the car.
Okay, since then, your car has been with us. We have nothing to do with the car. You are an innocent civilian of African continent.
Yes.
Precisely, we are in Biafra land right now. Where are you from?
I'm from Lagos State.
You are Yoruba or Hausa?
I'm Yoruba.
Okay, we have problem with nobody. We are only agitating for the freedom of Biafra, as you can see, and we don't look afraid. Do we look afraid?
No.
Do we look like people that are criminals?
No.
Like, do we look like somebody who will take your thing by force without proper something, without any offense?
No, so far they've not taken anything by force from me.
So I want to ask you, what is your experience now, as you have, where you are with us for some minutes now or some hours ago? Do we look many people are describing us dangerous? Many people say we are human eaters. Many people say if you come across us, you will never go scot-free. Is that true? I want you to at least...
Well, from my own experience, that's not the case. My own experience has been quite different. So I will speak from my experience. From what I've experienced, that's not true. From what I've experienced, that's not true. They've been fair enough to me. Nobody has hurt me since I've been here.
None of your material, your item is lost?
No, none of my materials is missing.
Okay, thank you very much. Biafrans and the world, people all over the world, I want to use this opportunity to remind you people that the men on ground are not afraid of anything. We are only doing the needful. Protecting Biafra land is our work, and we are Biafra Liberation Army, and we are going to fight this fight to the end. This our brother is from Yoruba land, and we are with him since 10th, and he has go and come back to carry his car. This is not about tribalism. This is about us, we the Igbos, getting our own nation. We are not against anybody. I want to use this opportunity to tell the people of the world that the Biafra Liberation Army is only fighting for the freedom of every Igbo race. So I want to make it clear, because sometimes people misunderstand us. People don't really understand who we are. We are not human eaters. I have never eaten anybody's flesh before. The only thing we are against are people that are against us. Anybody that is against Biafra Liberation Army, anybody that is against the restoration of Biafra, we are also against the person. So that is the only different thing between what people are saying and the original self as in who we are. And we are not afraid, we are not hiding ourselves.
Onani atoro mpe. Nwoliki believe this trash. Nwoliki gechifa believe that Nandia ne protect ndị Igbo. The only people fa na protect bụ naanị ndị ugwu and ndị ofe mmanụ. Apart from ndị ugwu, ndị ofe mmanụ, ndị Edo, onye ọbụla bụ onye Igbo, ndị a nweteghị as onye Igbo, ịnaka 9.